Okay guys, today we're going to look at factoring some trinomials. So we're going to start with the U-try problem for example 1, that first U-try problem that we looked at on Friday, x squared minus 7x minus 18. So this is a trinomial where the leading coefficient would just be 1. We're going to look at factoring this. So I'm going to use the guess and check method here, and what we're going to look for are factors of C that add to B. So I'm going to factor negative 18. Okay, since it's negative, I know for each pair of factors I have to have one positive value and one negative value. So I could start with negative 1 and positive 18, or these could be flip-flopped. I could have positive 1 times negative 18. I need a positive and a negative to multiply together to get this negative number. If you see the factors you need right off the bat, the ones that will add to negative 7, then go ahead and use those factors. If you don't see them, then you have to make a factor list. So I know 1 and 18, 2 and 9. Again, one of them needs to be negative. 3 and 6. And again, one needs to be negative. 4's not a factor of 18, 5's not a factor, 6 is, and then we start repeating our list. So here from my factor list, I'm going to look for, again, the factors that add to negative 7. So 2 and negative 9, if I added them together, I would get negative 7. So those are the factors I'm looking for. And then the nice thing about our leading coefficient just being 1 is that I now have my factors. I know at the front of each factor I'll have an x, because x times x gives me x squared. And then the factors I chose were positive 2 and negative 7. So that's my factored trinomial right there.